I'm Suhan and I finally figured out how to solve that question. The question which I discussed in the last video is the k largest question. In this question we are given a stream of integers and we have to give the k largest term. You can read this question. I am making this video to tell that I was working on it from the day when I completed that video, and after it I thought that I should do it, and in this I got to know that there is a heap function or a heap q function, and it has lot more to say. Where is it? Then I read it, and it has many inbuilt functions, methods such as heap push, heap pop, heap push pop, heap pq, and it is a general way to represent a heap. You can also implement on your own. I will recommend that if you have time. Then let's go. First, what I did is, first I cut the sorted the nums which will take n log n, as I am using the default. Then I stored the value of k in self.k, then stored the value of nums. But here is a twist, that I stored only the value from 0 to k, means from the highest kth value, as I am reverse is true, so I am sorting it in reverse. Then I heapified it, and then let's come to the add function. First I am checking that if length of self.nums is equal to k, then I will push a number and pop the lowest number, and heap q is doing all the things for me. Then I will return the self.nums. After it, if it is not true, then these two lines will be executed. In this I am pushing the heap, or I am pushing the value to the heap and then returning it. Now heap q or heap q will do all the work for me, and it is a easy implementation. And in heap q we get a min heap because of the heap sort algorithm, as heap q is also used in heap sort algorithm. That's a topic for another video. Now you can see this code and also see the results. It is 98.47% faster. I don't wanted to make it faster or memory efficient, but I wanted to make it, or I wanted to solve it, as in tomorrow's video if you have seen it, you know what happened. So this is the code, and you can copy it or try it on your own. I will recommend it, then see it. First of all, I was not knowing that we can use methods of import another libraries in LeetCode, so I was not using heapq and implementing my own heap. But when I got to the discussion section, someone used here heapq, or many of them were using heapq. I generally don't see the solutions or discuss it until I have made a correct choice, or I have to see it. So it is the source code and the result is here. Thanks for watching the video. I am Suhan, signing out.